Good morning to all. In this video, we'll learn the remaining portion of the solution lesson. First, learn about Motuno. This Motuno explained effect of pressure on the solubility of gas in liquid, which explained Henry's law. What is Henry's law? Henry's law states that the solubility of gas in liquid is directly proportional to pressure of the gas over the solution at a definite temperature. Henry's law states that solubility of a gas in liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of a gas over the solution at definite temperature. At a definite temperature, the solubility of gas in liquid substance, the solubility directly proportional to pressure of the gas. This is Henry's law. Let's see. Concentration of solution. So far we discussed what is solution and what does it is consist of. It consists of the types. Most of the chemical reaction takes place in a solution form. So it is essential to quantify the solid in solvent to study the reaction. To quantify the solid in a solution, we can use the term of concentration. What is the definition of concentration? Concentration of the solution may be defined as the amount of solid present in a given amount of solution or solvent. Amount of solid present in a given amount of solution. This is concentration definition. Once again recall, what is concentration of the solution? It is defined as amount of solid. The amount of solid present in a given amount of solution or solvent. This concentration may be expressed in different methods. In this lesson, we discussed the two methods only. What are the two methods? Percentage by mass, that is percentage mass. Another method, percentage by volume. These two methods only discussed in concentration of solution. First, learn about mass percentage. What is the definition of mass percentage? The mass percentage of the solution is defined as this percentage by mass of the solute present in a solution. It is mostly used when solid in solid and solid in liquid. Solid in solid, solvent is liquid. Percentage by mass of the solid present in a solution. This is definition for mass percentage. Once again recall, what is mass percentage? Percentage by mass of the solid present in a solution. What is the formula of mass percentage? The mass percentage equal to mass of solid divided by mass of solution into 100. Solid divided by solution. Mass of solid divided by mass of solution into 100. Already we learned what is solution. How solutions are formed? Solid plus solvent gives solution. So The another formula of the mass percentage is mass of solid divided by mass of solid plus solvent into 100. The solution expressed in solid plus solvent. So the expand formula of the mass percentage is mass of solid divided by mass of solid plus solvent into 100. The example of mass percentage: 5% sugar solution, that means 5 gram of sugar present in 95 gram of water. So totally how many gram? 100 gram. So hence it is made up of 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. Sugar present in 5% sugar solution contains 5 gram of solution, 5 gram of sugar and 95 gram of water. It is made up of sugar solution. So totally convert into 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. Usually mass percentage is expressed as W by W, that is weight by weight. Mass represent weight by weight. The mass percentage is independent of temperature. The mass percentage expressed in W by W, that is weight by weight. Let's see the another concentration of solution is volume percentage. What is the definition of volume percentage? The volume percentage is defined as percentage by volume of solute present in ml in a given given volume of solution. The percentage by mass of volume of solute present in given volume of the solution. This is definition of volume percentage. Once again, what is volume percentage? It is defined as the percentage by volume of solute. The volume of solute present in given volume of solution. That is solute divided by solvent. Solute divided by solution. What is the formula? Volume percentage equal to formula volume of solute divided by volume of solvent into 100. This solution already we know how solutions are formed. Solute plus solvent gives solution. So solution replaced by solute plus solvent. So we can write another formula. Volume percentage equal to formula volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus volume of solvent into 100. For example, 10% by volume of solution of ethanol in water. That means 10 ml of ethanol in 100 ml of solution. So 10 ml of ethanol present in 100 ml of 90 ml of water. So totally convert how many is ml of solution? 100 ml of solution. So 10 ml ethanol mixed with 90 ml of water. So we get how many mLs? 100 ml of solution. The volume represent in ml, milliliter. Usually volume percentage is expressed in V by V, that is volume divided by volume. It is used when both the solute and solvent are liquid. The volume percentage, the solute and solvents are present in only liquid states. But a mass percentage, solute present in solid, solvent present in liquid state. But in this volume percentage, both solute and solvents are present in liquid form. The volume percentage decreases with increase in temperature. The volume percentage decreases with increase in temperature because of expansion of liquid. What is the reason? Expansion of liquid. So volume percentage decrease with increase in temperature. The volume percentage expressed in V by V, that is volume by volume. You can notice that the commercial products that we come across in everyday life, such as solution of syrup, mouthwash, antiseptic solutions, household disinfectants. The solution of these ingredients are expressed in volume by volume. Similarly, ointment, antacid, soap, these substances, the concentration of the solutions are expressed in W by W. See this diagram. See this picture. This is one of the ointment. This ointment contains terbinafine hydrochloride cream. This terbinafine hydrochloride cream present in 1% solution. That is 1% W by W. That is weight by weight. The mass percentage expressed in which unit? W by W. Already we know the mass percentage expressed in term of W by W. This ointment soaps contains the mass percentage expressed in W by W unit. Once again recall volume percentage. Volume percentage formula: the volume of solid present in volume of solution. Volume of solid divided by volume of solution into 100. For example, 10 gram ethanol. Ethanol acts as a solid. The 10 ml of ethanol dissolved in 90 ml of water. So we get 100 ml of the solution. So ethanol acts as a solid, water acts as a solvent. So we get 100 ml of the solution. The volume of the solution expressed in V by V, volume by volume. The volume percentage expressed in V by V, that is volume by volume. Next formula, mass percentage. What is mass percentage formula? Mass of solid divided by mass of solution, solid plus solvent into 100. For example, sugars, 5% of sugar solution. That means 5 gram of sugar dissolved in 95 gram of water. So we get 100 gram of solution. So 5 gram sugar acts as a solid, 95 gram of water acts as a solvent. So we get 100 gram of the solution. These two methods are expressed in concentration of the solution. What are the two methods? One is mass percentage, another one is volume percentage. The remaining topics are learned next video section. Thank you, students.